Thank you everybody, first of all, for joining us on this Perspectives event. It's a pleasure. I feel very lucky. I think every winner, video or notes winner, the Vyntelligence team feels lucky to have all of you here. I'm just listening to these perspectives and it just brings amazing memories. 11 years back, we started this journey. And we wouldn't be here if we did not have the most amazing advisors, the most amazing advice, customers, users that we are here today. And I'm just trying to bring it to life. Vibhu, thank you for being there. Early on, when you were building the software, it was like, don't worry about AI. Solve the right problems. Look for small insights. They will help you one day. And lo and behold, thank you for sharing the fact that today we are able to help a lot of our industry customers because we focused on the users, not AI. We focus on making their life easier and the small insights, which I guess will now become prompts in your lovely large language model. So thank you for that. I'd like to thank Manu. This September, the business went cash burn break even and we are bootstrapped. So we do not have any funding. So you have just kept us very honest because we are solving real business problems. But now I'm excited. 500 million. So thank you for raising the bar. Thank you, Nigel. Thank you, Francesca, for giving us the opportunity to bring this software to life. You know, we can code the best software in the world, but if you're not able to put it in the hands of the users, Nigel, 2019, early days, we were still trying to cobble things together. And here we are today, right? Sitting on this amazing opportunity to change lives, to drive business outcomes, and do something really beautiful. And I want to thank Mark. I met Mark back in 2007, 2008 time frame. And I still remember two things which Mark always said: love what you make, right? Just be proud of what you have and don't forget the human touch. So almost first 7 or 8 years of our life as a business, we were just working hard to make the software easy to use for the user in the field. That's an installer of a network, Francesco, right? That's a person going out in the field doing a repair job. And everybody thought, we're crazy. We're not focusing on the dashboards, the reports that management pays for. All we did was to make life easy for the users. And I would say today, within 5 minutes, anybody can be onboarded on the platform and they can start using the software. So that's where we've gotten to, and this would not have been possible if all of you would not have shared your love, your advice, your insights at the right time. And I'm sure large language models will love to learn from that. So show of hands to all of you for being here. If I may, just a big show of hands. I just have some few fun facts, because the topic is cloud to the ground. So what is happening in the cloud and what are we doing in the ground? So I thought I'll just share a few facts before we get back to drinks and some more amazing conversations. So in the last 12 months, and some of you were here 12 months back, we have 1,000 times more video data on our platform. 1,000 times. What does that mean? My daughter sent me a WhatsApp message, 5 o'clock today, to say TikTok is your competition. And I'm like, what the hell is this? 1,000x data in the cloud on video data, short video data. And it's an advert in the underground talking about proof of work using short videos on TikTok for business. So this is, so flattering because, we've been doing this for years and now my daughter is saying, this is TikTok for business. We are doing short videos for business to make life simpler. So that's 1,000x data up there and we're making life simpler here. The second fun fact is we have close to about 1 billion API transactions in the last 1 year on the platform. 1 billion. But what does that mean? We are a short video notes business. We create videos. But the 1 billion transactions are people interacting on those videos. Somebody is sharing a comment. Somebody's approving work. somebody is able to install a piece of kit in your house 3 months earlier than planned, right? That's the beauty of when you create software which is very usable. So that video asset becomes core to collaboration, as we all know today, is also our social habit. So that's the second data point. The third data point has to be about AI, because this is all about AI, right? Now we have all this data, we have all these interactions, and we have the real business problems to solve. Before I go to AI, we tried a new service during COVID, thanks to Northumbrian Water, where we made this service available to consumers, retail consumers. That is back in 2020, because consumers could send us a video of a problem they have in their house to safeguard any workers coming to the house. Fast forward, we have Cadent here, we have UKPN here. That's one of our fastest growing service. Every UK consumer and household today has access to Vyn. One shape or the other, through one utility or one telco or the other, which means instead of calling a contact center, instead of sending forms, instead of waiting for endless moments to get their job done, they can now send a short video called Vyn Video or Notes. So coming back to AI, right? So when you have all this data come together, we heard about privacy. Thank you, Mark, for reminding me. We have been struggling with our head of software and AI that we can't do so many more features because we always get stuck with privacy. And it's very frustrating. But our teams have kept us honest. We are highly conscious about keeping data safe and secure. And within that environment, the team this year came up with an architecture where we can run AI models and analyzers super securely and safely within your network home as an enterprise client, without sharing any privacy of data out of those networks. And once you have crossed that barrier and you've earned the trust to work with 40 of the largest companies in the world, you can do wonders, you can do magic. So 1,000 to 2,000 AI inferences same year last year, when we did not have the LLMs, 50,000 inferences a month today on our platform for AI. So that's the journey, that we have from the cloud to the ground, as we make people safer, as we make people more productive, as we reduce installation to commissioning times, as we reduce cost to serve, as we upskill people. That's a very important point, as Nigel also mentioned. 1 in 6 field workers will retire in 2027, both in the UK and the US, and you will need the knowledge aids. Where do people go to learn today? They go to YouTube. Where will people go to learn in the enterprise? They'll come to Vyntelligence. Thank you.